Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor Douye Diri of Bayelsa State says his administration is fully committed to exploring every available option to harness the potentials of the marine and blue economy in the state. This is to ensure economic development, environmental conservation, and a sustainable future for the people of Bayelsa State, which is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean. Senator Diri announced this last week while creating the Ministry for Blue Economy in the state, which will be manned by Dr. Faith Izibenua Zibbs Godwin. Senator Diri also swore in 15 new commissioners to head various ministries in the state.
Following the path of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who created the Ministry of Marine and Blue Economy in August last year to promote sustainable economic development and protect the health and biodiversity of Nigeria's marine environment, the governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Douye Diri, last week established the Ministry for Blue Economy. The governor then swore in Dr. Faith Izibenua Zibbs Godwin to man the ministry alongside 14 others to head other ministries in the state. This brings the total number of commissioners in the state to 29. According to the governor, the new Ministry of Blue Economy in the state will spearhead the sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth and livelihood improvement, as well as job creation.
Beyond oil and gas, Bayelsa State is rich in its maritime environment, and more emphasis shall be placed on the development of the blue economy.
Governor Diri also upgraded the office of the Special Advisor on Non-Indigens to a full-blown ministry, which he said was in line with his stance on national unity and peaceful coexistence. Senator Diri further promised Bayelsans that his administration will prioritize agricultural development, food sufficiency, quality healthcare, and environmental preservation, amongst other critical needs of the masses in the state.
Bayelsa will no longer be importing rice. Bayelsa want to export rice. Healthcare is a critical sector, and we must upgrade our health facilities and health delivery system to world-class standards and continue to improve on the functionality of the Bayelsa State Health Insurance Scheme.
In a related development, Senator Douye Diri, who just returned to the state from the Bahamas, where he attended Afreximbank's annual meeting, says the state will continue to seek meaningful partnerships that will transform the fortunes of Bayelsans.
We will develop our state, but we'll also look for development partners across the whole world. And we had very fruitful meetings, and I've tasked my team to follow up all the meetings so that we can have investors the way they are investing foreign currency in Lagos. At least even if we have 1/4 of that type of investment in Bayelsa, we will have to create jobs for our people.
Inside the Niger Delta,